Hello everyone, you're watching EngLango and this is your instructor Hamid Talash Ibrahimi with you all. The topic that I brought today is very essential and important topic. That's about vocabulary and techniques for learning vocabulary. Many students are requesting that sir make a video on the vocabulary and techniques of learning vocabulary. First of all, you need to know what is the vocabulary. Vocabulary is known as stock word. You need to have stock word to communicate and describe things. And if we define vocabulary, then we are saying that it refers to all the words in a language that are understood by an individual or group of people. Those words that could, be clear for an individual and group of people. Learning vocabulary is an art, and you need to know how to learn the vocabulary, how to find the vocabulary. If you are a basic learner, then listen and read a lot. By reading and listening, you will be able to improve your vocabulary. Now, to enrich your vocabulary and enhance it, there are different techniques for it. For improving your vocabulary, you need to have good reading skills and you need to listen more. When you listen more and you read more, you'll be able to improve your vocabulary. Besides that, when you are learning a word, for example, you are learning a word beauty. Now you need to know that this word is verb, adjective, or adverb, and then search words related to this like beautify, beautiful, beautifully. You need to search words to it. Now, these are the things that you need to identify them. Techniques of learning vocabulary. What are different techniques of learning vocabulary? The first and foremost important technique is to have better dictionary where you could search words. Use dictionary. Word, what does it mean? It will give you the meaning. It will give you synonyms of it, antonyms of it, examples, the word used in the sentence, and it will tell you which one part of speech is it. Besides that, keep a journal of every day. You need to have a journal where you could note down your words, write down the meaning of it, draw it, and make sentences on it. And then you'll be able to act on it and learn it. Now, keeping journal is very important if you want to enrich your vocabulary and learn the vocabulary. Besides that, vocabulary spanner is really important. This is the thing that you need to know. It's a technique in which you are going to exercise. What to do? To exercise. To find the meaning of the word. You are coming in circle. You're coming in circle. Find the meaning, definition of the word, synonyms for the words, antonyms for the words. Besides that, knowing how to spell the word, and after that, use in the sentence and act upon it. Keep learning it, understand it. When you are going with all these processes, I believe you will be able to know that word, understand that word. With one word, you will learn other words too. So if you are going to face the same word anywhere in reading or listening or the synonym of this word, you will easily understand it. The next technique is, this is the technique that I usually used it when I used to learn English as a second language. Play vocabulary games. This is one of the essential and amazing technique that I really, like it and I really admire it. I experience and exercise it a lot. I exercise all of them, but this one was among my favorite ones. So, how to go for a technique? For example, there is a word by, knowledge. You're writing a word knowledge. Now you have to create words from it. For example, here you N-O-W, now, it's a different word which gives different meaning. There is know, it's a different word which gives different meaning. Here lead, it's a different word which gives different meaning. Lid, it's a different word which give different meaning. Edge, it's a different word which gives you different meaning. There are a lot of words that you can make from only this, like new. There are a lot of words. And this technique will help you out to recall your memory and recall your, memory and recall your vocabulary that you have learned it previously. Besides that, it will improve your vocabulary. With these techniques, you could improve your vocabulary. And you must not forget that if you have lack of vocabulary, you will not be able to read well, to speak well, and to express your thoughts. It was all about the topic. If there is any query and you want to ask more about it, you're most welcome to ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching it.